Here we are, 36 Bretano in Greenbrae. Gonna do a little video tour. Let's go through the front door. Got a nice little porch over here. We'll go in through the front door into the living room. Dining room is over here on the left. Through here we see the kitchen. And stainless steel refrigerator. In here is the garage, used more for storage. We have a washer and dryer there and access to the backyard. We'll come back through here. Go through the home and through the hallway. On the right, you can see the children's bedroom. This will all be painted upon move out of the owners. Through here, we have the master bedroom. Very nice. Access to the a window to the backyard. Closet in there. And then we come through here and we'll see the bathroom with a stand-up shower as well as a tub. Okay, and then through here we have the second guest bedroom. And this is a Murphy bed here. And through here we have access to the lovely backyard with the pergola. Through here you can see great backyard, very sunny, a lot of room back here, big redwood tree, and again the added pergola.